If you're learning SEO and you do not know these three tools, then definitely you are doing something wrong, because without knowing these three tools, you cannot go very far. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that you can have a successful SEO career. Before we start this video, kindly like this video, that will motivate me to make such videos for you. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so that you get the notification as and when I put my video out to my channel. Let's dive in. You're starting out as a digital marketer or maybe an SEO expert. So these three tools you have to know. The number one tool is SEMRush. You remember, if you do not know SEMRush and you call yourself a digital marketer, then you are not a digital marketer, because SEMRush is a very powerful tool. It has capabilities starting from computer analysis, keyword research, organic traffic analysis, everything, backlinking strategies, whatever you need in SEO, not only SEO, overall digital marketing strategy, everything can be found there. And the good part, SEMRush has their own academy where you can get certified on all those features they have. So make sure you know SEMRush before you start to act as a professional digital marketer. And the second tool what I'll talk about is ahref. As I have told you, SEMRush has everything whatever you need, but personally what I have realized when it comes to backlinking analysis, that how many backlinks would you need to rank for a website once while doing the computer research, ahref is also one of the best tools that you could ever get. So make sure that you learn how to use ahref along with SEMRush while you are doing any SEO activity or digital marketing activity. Just a pro tip, if you are doing some research using one tool, make sure you check that all of these in other as well. There will be a slight difference between these two tools, but in backlinking, I have seen ahref works better, whereas in normal SEO, keyword research, finding gaps, the SEMRush works better. That is also a personal choice. Once you start using, you will get to know. Number 3 is Google Search Console. You might be really surprised to understand that what's there in Google Search Console that makes it so important that you have to know while you are getting into search engine optimization. So let me tell you that actually Webmaster Tool or Google Search Console is a very powerful tool. Let me tell you why. Google Search Console has capabilities where it can show you what are the keywords you are organically ranking. So that makes it very easier for you to rank when it comes to outrank your competitors. Next, if you are thinking that some of your website is not getting crawled properly or you are not getting any ranking, so that is the best tool that will give you the actually what happened to your pages. You can see the crawl reports, you can see if there are any issues to be fixed, if there is anything to be added, you can submit your sitemap in check, you can do n number of things, how things are getting rendered to Google, how Google is looking at it, how things are getting crawled, everything in one place. So make sure that you learn to leverage all the functionalities of Google Search Console. Before we finish this video, I'll give you a pro tip which will help you to rank a lot faster. Initially, once you are starting out as a beginner in SEO, to rank any keyword, don't go for high volume, high difficulty level keywords. What you need to do is, you should start with a LSI keyword or a long tail keyword which has a moderate volume, and start putting content based on it, and make sure you make the keyword density around 2 to 3%, not more than 3%. Apart from it, you optimize the title, the metas, then you will start seeing ranking within 3 months. I must mention there has been some recent changes. So go through Google and search for EAT, E-E-A-T, EAT. That is the new phrase that has come to the picture. It's been there in the market, but that has become imperative in recent times, as well as Google Core Vitals. Search that in the Google, you will definitely get what these are. I'll also mention them in the description. Check the description to know more. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video, that will motivate me to make such videos. Subscribe to my channel and just press on the bell icon so that you get notified as and when I'm putting out content to my channel. Thank you for watching. Best of luck for your journey.